How to buy Chipotle bulk gift cards online. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search chipotle.com/gift cards. It will lead you to this page. Scroll down in here and click on bulk gift cards. After you click on bulk gift cards in here, it will lead you to this page. First, you will need to register. Add your estimated annual spend on Chipotle gift cards. And are you a gift card reseller? How did you hear about us? How do you plan on using Chipotle name? How do you plan to use the gift card? Special instructions if you want to give any. And then contact information, your first name, last name, primary email, your phone number. After you've added your phone number, company's name, and tax ID as well. Then address, city, and then select state, and then add zip postal code. Press on I agree and press on submit. After you've submitted, Chipotle will get back to you, and if they review and it's accepted, you will be able to buy it in bulk by clicking on bulk, and it won't lead you to this page. It will directly lead you to choosing option. From there you can choose and then pay and purchase. This is how to buy Chipotle bulk gift cards online. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.